Pumps has basic parts kits for its 3175 and 3196 pumps. I'm here today with Joe Frank. He's our parts manager at Crane Engineering to talk more specifically about the power end kit. So Joe, when would you want to use a power end parts kit?
So Sarah, you would use a power end kit when you require a new bearing frame and a new shaft. And when I say that, I'm saying that the bearing frame bearing fits are out of tolerance, or perhaps the shaft bearing fits are out of tolerance. When you need those two components, then it's more cost effective to go with the complete power end assembly kit.
So Joe, which specific parts are in the power end parts kit?
Well, Sarah, the parts that are included in a power end kit are this complete bearing frame assembly, complete with the frame, the shaft assembly with the bearings already installed, and the thrust end labyrinth oil seal assembled. Also included are the inboard labyrinth oil seal, the dowel pins that go to hold between the frame adapter and the power frame, the frame adapter gasket, and the guard, the OSHA safety guard end plate. That's what's included in the power end. As you can see, it also includes the new eye alert, part of the features and benefits of the new iframe.
So there are a lot of other companies out there that make something that's very similar to this, that fits on an existing Goulds Pumps liquid end. So why would you go with the Goulds Pumps version versus some of those that are maybe a little bit less expensive?
That's a very good question, Sarah. There are many differences between the original Goulds 3196 power end kit and the competitors that are making copies of those units. I can tell you that the 3196 ANSI pump has been around for decades. Goulds has gone through many changes and upgrades over the years. This particular power end kit here that we're talking about today is the iframe. It has many different features and benefits that are not included in many of the competitor models. Things such as the eye alert that I already pointed out. It has a larger oil capacity, oil sump. It has a magnetic drain plug on the bottom, and the inside of the housing is tapered so it drains toward that plug. And the biggest feature is the new thrust bearing that they put in the iframe. It has an improved geometry which extends bearing life and mean time between failures. And that's really what sets it apart. It's more than just the looks of the two units. It's the features and benefits that are included in the new iframe.
So Joe, we have every size of the 3175 and 3196 power end kit in stock here at Crane, right?
That's correct, Sarah. We have all sizes of both models, the 3196 and the 3175s, in stock here in Kimberly, and they can ship same day as necessary.
Great. To request a quote, just go ahead and give us a call or hop onto our website and request a quote there.